approximately 11:28 this morning, we received a call for a possible gas explosion at or near the LA Fitness at 1025 South University Drive. Initial reports were that there were multiple people injured and possibly multiple people trapped. On arrival, we did find that there appears to be what looks like some kind of an explosion. Haven't confirmed a gas leak just yet, but there's significant debris throughout the whole strip mall that's involved. Several of the units were badly destroyed. We did find several patients throughout the area, mostly confined to the LA Fitness location and the place nearby it. We have an approximate count of about 15 to 20 patients at this point. We have not confirmed that number yet. We know that there were two that were serious. One was taken as a level 1 trauma to Broward Health Medical Center. The other one was also transported to Broward Health. The others were transported locally.